Kia ora, my name is Maryanne Blair. I'm from Pangaru. Immunisation to me is about protecting me and my whānau. Whānau means everything to me. It is my why, it is my drive. My experience immunising my tamariki was not always so easy. I always still have a tear in my eye for my tamariki, but our community health nurse is always so supportive. I think what holds whānau back from taking immunisations is the lack of information and the misinformation. Talk to your Hauora Māori community provider or GP practice to make an informed decision about immunisations. Discuss any concerns you have and feel free to make an appointment if immunisation is right for you and your whānau. Hāpaitia Ngā Whānau, let's uplift the wellness of our whānau.